If you understand what that journey is and you make sure that all of the ads that you show this person and all of the products that you place in front of this person and all of the deals that you place in front of this person are contextual to that person's journey, then you will start to see your ads do significantly better.
For the rugged. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all.
Yo, what's going on? It is Miguel and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, I highly appreciate you for stopping by. And if you're back to watch another video, thank you for coming back. On this channel, I like to talk about all things business, sales funnels, marketing, all sorts of things like that. And on this particular video, I'm going to be talking about exactly why you aren't seeing results in your Facebook ads, or maybe you are and you just want to add a little oomph to it. I'm going to show you how to get that little oomph, because there's a 99% chance that you're not doing this. And at the very least, if you start to implement this one thing into your Facebook ads, you're going to, at the very least, have profitable ads, and then everything on that is just going to be icing on the cake. How can I feed this part of my ad funnel, which is all it really is? It's a Facebook ads funnel. How do I feed this part of the funnel as much as possible so that my ad account can start to become more and more profitable? Because honestly, this is the easy part. So what is the one thing that I'm talking about? The way that I would describe it is retargeting in context. Now, what exactly do I mean by that? Well, if you don't know what retargeting ads are in general, a retargeting ad is basically if I see a product, you show me a product, and I go check it out, I start seeing ads for that product everywhere now. That's what retargeting is in a nutshell. But if you're able to do it in context, then you'll start to see way more success with your retargeting ads. And then you'll just start to get more purchases overall. So what does it mean to run these ads in context? Well, there are a few different ways that you can do this, and I'll try to make this as simple as possible, as straightforward as possible, because this is not a complicated thing whatsoever, at least strategy-wise. Implementation-wise, it can get a little buggy, but there are videos on this channel that do explain how to run retargeting ads and how to do that sort of thing. On ClickFunnels specifically, I don't know about Shopify, but if you want to learn any of that stuff, just go holler at Splashman. He knows how to do that kind of thing. So anyways, what do I mean exactly by retargeting in context, strategy-wise? What I mean is, how are the retargeting ads that you're showing this person going to get them to take the action? You know that they've seen the product, and not only have they seen the product, but they've gone far enough as to actually look at the product. So how do you make the product that they just saw even more appealing through retargeting ads? There are a couple of ways you can do this. You can offer them a deal. You can offer this person lead magnets that lead back to that offer. And the other ways that you do this is making sure that whatever you are doing inside of the retargeting ads is contextual to the platform that they are seeing it on. So what do I mean by that? I keep saying context and contextual. So when I say in terms of being contextual to the platform that they're on, what I mean is a lot of times you'll see ads on Instagram that aren't native to the platform. Instagram can only support square pictures, or at least a lot of times they only take square pictures, but sometimes you can get away with longer pictures. But if not, it's going to get cropped. And if it's cropped, they're not going to be able to see it, and they may ignore it because of that reason. So that's what I mean by not being contextual. Another thing with inside of Instagram is that people will put a link inside of the description and people can't click on that. And I've even done this inside of my ads because, you know, just learning, I make mistakes as well, and then I learn and adjust as I go. If you see one of the ads that is currently running right now, if you ever just so happen to come across it, there is a link inside of the description inside of that Instagram ad, and there's literally people within the comments saying, yo, the link is broken, what's going on? And that is because in Instagram, you cannot click links inside of the actual caption. The only way they can get to whatever your offer is by clicking the button instead. So if you don't say click on the button and instead you say click the link, you're not being contextual to that platform. If you offer someone the same exact product that they saw and you know that they saw that product for $100, but you retarget them and you let them know, hey, this product is still dope and this deal is not going to be around forever, so here it is for $50. If you're also retargeting them on Instagram story and you're saying, yo, swipe up, if you're showing them the picture of the product instead of anything else, just constantly reminding them, then you are being contextual to that person's particular journey. Where a lot of people screw up is that they'll show ads to people in one broad sense without ever taking the consumer in mind. They're not taking the actual person. There's people that you're showing these ads to. And a lot of people do not take these people into account. They're just throwing ads up and hoping purchases pop up and not realizing that there is a person on the other end of that, and they are receiving the information that you're giving them in a very particular way and in a very specific journey. If you understand what that journey is and you make sure that all of the ads that you show this person and all of the products that you place in front of this person and all of the deals that you place in front of this person are contextual to that person's journey, then you will start to see your ads do significantly better. If I just bought something and I start seeing ads that say, hey, this is for people who bought this product, this is a special deal for people who bought this product, and this is very secret, only people who bought this product can have access to this very secret deal. If you want it, go ahead and get it. That is very contextual to the person who is seeing the ad, and it's going to make me feel like, oh, this person is speaking directly to me. This isn't some scam. This isn't some lifeless, soulless business that's just trying to take all of my money. This is someone that actually cares and is taking me into account. I am going to go ahead and buy this product or get that lead magnet or whatever it is you're trying to get them to do. I hope that made sense. I hope this is valuable. If you stuck to the end, I highly, highly, highly appreciate you for watching this video. I do not take your eyes or your attention lightly. I really, truly, really thank you. If you found value, I ask that you subscribe to this channel. I ask that you like this video. And if there's anything else you would like to learn, if there's anything else you would like me to talk about, go ahead and leave a comment on this video asking me the question. I respond to every single comment. I like every single comment as well. And if you have a dope question, I throw them in the videos and I give you a shout out. So once again, thank you for watching this video, and until next time, peace.